I'm going to show you 2 different ways that are maybe a little bit out of the box for you to use lemons around the house. Hi, I'm Evette Rios, and I wanted to share with you guys another little bit of slice advice. Now, lemons is something that I always like to have around the house. I use them a lot in recipes. I like to make my own salad dressing using just lemon and oil and a little bit of salt. But I'm going to show you 2 different ways for you to use lemons around the house. Now, the first way is to make your kitchen smell amazing. And the way that you do this is I've got a small pot, I filled it with water, and I'm going to add some lemon to it. So I'm just going to slice it into thin little slices. And what you want to do by slicing it, you're exposing more of the lemon to the hot water, which is going to release a lot of that lemon oil, which is going to make your house smell so amazing. And this is the kind of thing you can kind of leave on your stove, on a simmer, and it's just going to make things smell so good. So when you open a pot like this and you've got boiling water, always open it away from you so you don't get burned. And then I'm going to add some lemons to this. And you can just use 1 full lemon. And then I'm using some cinnamon. And you can use any spices you want to make your house smell great. Cinnamon has a lot of fragrance, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. And cinnamon and lemon actually smells great together. And then I've got here some star anise, which I love the smell of, but I also love the look of. So it's just kind of pretty to have boiling when you've got people coming over. And then you're just going to sort of mix it in there. And then you turn it down to a simmer. There we go. And just leave that on. And already it's starting to smell so great. This is a great idea in the wintertime when the air is really, really dry, because not only are you releasing all the oils from the lemon and all that amazing aroma, but you're also adding a little moisture to the air, which we all need. So this is a great idea for that. I'm going to show you another way that I like to use lemons to clean right now. The way that I use lemons to clean is I use them to clean my cutting boards, especially wood cutting boards. And the way that you do this is you take a lemon and you're just going to cut it in half. And then what you need to do is you use salt to get them nice and clean. The salt and the lemon work together to really scrub the surface of your wood cutting boards. So you've got your lemon half, take some salt. I've got pretty fine salt here. You can use coarse salt. A coarser salt will really get in there and clean it up. And then with your half a lemon, you're just going to work in a circular motion, just like that. And the oil and the lemon and the salt together is going to make sure that your surface of your cutting board is nice and clean. And this is a perfect thing to do. Let's say you just prepared shrimp or some sort of seafood on your cutting board and you want it to smell maybe not so fishy. This is a great way to instantly get that fishy smell off your cutting boards. So there you go, you just kind of wipe it down afterwards and it's nice and clean and ready to use again. So those are 2 ways that I like to use lemons around the house. I want to hear how you guys use lemons all around your house. I'm Evette Rios, follow me at Evette Rios and keep checking in to find out more slice advice. Bye-bye.